To make a girl like you is not an easy task at all. But still some guys make it seems easy. So what's the difference between a guy with different choices and a guy who is afraid to ask her out? Once you learn the different techniques, you'll have the key to making her crazy for you. There's a big difference between getting your girl to desire you badly the legitimate way and getting her to want you badly the covert way. So let's see the key factors to make every girl want you. Overflowing with self-confidence. If you want to achieve anything in life, you must have a certain amount of self-confidence and value. You have an advantage over the other males if you exude obvious confidence rather than arrogance. Since ladies are naturally drawn to men who aren't hesitant to take the lead, some men just lack the confidence to express themselves in front of women. If it describes you, you'll have to fake it until you make it. If you want a woman to think about you all the time, you must demonstrate to her that you know what you want and that you are confident in your own skin. Make sure you dress correctly, wash and shave, and put effort into your appearance so that any woman would be happy to have you as her guy. Simple things like these can increase your confidence and propel you closer to achievement. Tell her how you actually feel. According to research, women are more attracted to males who aren't scared to express their true feelings. This openness is magnetic, and if you can tap into it with this exceptional girl, she will be unable to resist desiring you. Of course, this is a risk, but it's best to find out sooner rather than later whether she and you are on the same page. This brave move is going to make her desire you like no other guy, or it's going to be the card that calls it quits. Make sure you have goals. You should not only have objectives, but also a strategy for achieving them. In the view of women, driven men who establish frequent goals and achieve them are considered as focused and successful. It makes no difference what your objectives are. Just make sure you share them with her, and ask her what objectives she has set for herself as a bonus. Be fully trustworthy. One significant issue with people attempting to impress a female is that they are untrustworthy. They arrive late or say and do something other than what they committed to do. You can get through the door by looking attractive, but you can't utilize that to hit a home run. If you can be trusted, you will become miraculously appealing in the eyes of a female. So, if a lady wants to vent or needs assistance with anything, make sure you are the first male to arrive. Demonstrate to her that you can take care of her, and you'll be in the running to make her need you, and only you, desperately. Express your manners. There's something charming about a guy who makes it a point to treat a woman with dignity. This means you should open the vehicle door for her, assist her with her shopping bags, lend her your jacket if it's cold outside, and make sure she walks on the inner of the sidewalk, away from traffic. You must exercise gallantry if you want her to think of you all the time. Take my word for it. It's effective. Text communication. With quick access, it's so simple to reach out and communicate to her these days. Texting her works in your favor since it shows her that you are thinking about her even while you are at work. Don't go overboard, but you may develop a routine to pique her interest in you. No matter what, start by messaging her good morning and good night. This is a brilliant move since it implies that she is thinking about you when she gets up and when she goes to bed. That's insufficient, so send her a message at least once throughout the day. Leaving this note at a random time is the greatest option. Give her a little suspense throughout the day, wondering when you are going to reach out. Incorporate the conversation. It's difficult to conduct a real-life discussion in our environment since technology seems to have taken over. If you want to impress her, make sure your communication abilities are top-notch. This implies you must be able to maintain an intellectual discussion with her while employing big boy language. It makes no difference what your objectives are. Just make sure you share them with her, and ask her what objectives she has set for herself as a bonus. Make her smile. Laughter is the greatest medicine, and it works wonders for seducing ladies. According to studies, the man who can make a female laugh outperform every other sort of person, regardless of how much money he earns. Laughter relieves her pain. After all, who doesn't like a good laugh? Secret is magnetic. Some individuals believe that playing hard to get is a good thing, while others believe it is a total waste of time. According to experts, playing hard to get will pique the curiosity of most women. The challenge is to strike the proper balance. It's not simple to temper one's excitement and somewhat enhance one's evasiveness. Make sure you're not playing too hard to get, or it can backfire on you.